fabrication solution. He is a 3D printing specialist, business located in Bangi for 6 years already. Now, his previous type of jobs were involving in gaming, computer, and company, and he was also a laptop seller and also instrument IT engineer before. So let us know a little bit more about his family information. Spouse, Lee Moon Yoon. He has 3 cats, and he loves to make something out of nothing, and also love VR, exercise, and sharing knowledge. He has been staying in Bangi for 2 years already. So his burning desire is to build more product to solve problems, and something no one knows about him. Guess what he said? If you ask, he will tell. His life is simple, no secret, so better do one-to-one with him more. So he's here to success, lifelong learning. So Bruce, you have 7 minutes to present your business showcase. At the 5th minute, you'll hear the bell rings one ding dong like this. That means you have a quick wrap up for your Q&A session. So ladies and gentlemen, so let us put our hands together to welcome Bruce Mui. Over to you, Bruce.
Ding dong. Thank you for introduction. Good morning, Lighthousing guests. Ladies and gentlemen, no project is too small or large. I am Bruce, your 3D printing guy. Well, the button not working. Yeah, okay. Quick intro from my 3D printing journey. Start from 2014 by building my first 3D printers. Well, buildings mean prepare parts, wiring, programs. Okay, I'm not invented them. I learned from open source overseas. After that, I helped Malaysia friends build more 3D printers and start to build a lot more products. Well, until certain days, I found that, the workload is really can't make me do as a part-time. So I resigned from my ex-company. That's why we have a B3D online at my company brand now. Well, now we have able to access to 18 in-house 3D printers in my office and 50 community 3D printers and 5 close partner industrial 3D printer and more. Let's talk about our projects. What is the small project I'm talking about? In here, level 1, we're talking about no MOQ, no minimum order quantities. Well, all the photos got story. I random pick some of the photos put out here, so maybe you can see whatever you need to see. A lot of my customers ask me carefully that they're so scared, but I want to make the item, but I just need one only. Can you make it? Well, what is the MOQ? No MOQ. Of course I can make it. In our small project category, normally is under 10 set. We understand mostly our customer are doing prototype or self-use, maybe just proof of concept, and give or display even some movie props. A lot of stuff. Also got people use it as a mold. Well, all the part that can bring our customer value, save their time, help them to solve the specific problems we do. And the prototyping is the good referrals, because this referral that could level up. Why? Because normally after prototype, they may need to order more, because you need one, then you may need more for testing, functional test or whatever reason, or maybe prove a few more concept. And after that, you can start to make something for sale. Let's say 20 to 50 piece to selling in the market online and trying out whether this works or not, or as a add-on for your own products. Well, in this level, people like to grow. They want to see the product grow, or whatever is a side product or the main products. Well, they can build with 3D printings. And if the product keeps selling, they will keep coming. I want to make more. I want to make more. I want to make more. Until the one day, what if they need to level up until the 3D printing is not that cost effective anymore? You know what we do? We do pass the reference to Samantha, right? Because when you got over that value, then let's say 1,000 pieces per month, then it should be injection mold. We not only help people build stuff, we also help people monitor their stuff, whether this one suitable for which type of manufacturing. Until the day when we're not going to do that product anymore, we will pass through to the bigger process. Okay, enough for small thing. Let's talk about something large. Well, large thing is kind of another life. Well, when you talk about another life, let me share you a case study. Like 2 months ago, we have a big challenge on this. Well, I always design for additive manufacturing, which is 3D printing. We have collaboration partner. Well, we do all the 3D design, fix, repair, scale, part separation, specific design for their specific machine. Because my partner have a very huge machine, which is 1.8 meter tall size, super fast printing. And we work on this drawing on that project. Well, after a few days of finish this drawing, I get a very urgent call, which is they tell me their machine is down and the parts still got one 3 meter size part need to finish within 3 days. I dare you, no one can process that big chunk of parts in 3D printing in Malaysia. No one. But guess what? I reply, yes, let's figure it out. After list out all the problems, immediately I convert the 3 meter parts into 40x 20 times 20 centimeter parts. Well, and prepare all the files, settings, what I need, materials, and pass them to the communities. These communities, some of them are my 3D customer who buy the 3D printer for me. Some of them was my competitor. Here I want to special thanks to BNI. The idea of changing the way the world does business from competition to collaboration. And you see that some of them was my competitor. Now we are supplier for each other. Well, this is like 2 days later, we got the old big chunks of Lego. After joining them, we deliver it within 3 days. And this is the result. And where is the Lego parts? I want to tell you this, hidden here. Well, this is the thing. We can handle large models with big or small 3D machine, no matter how complicated the geometry is. We are ready for handle something more larger. And this is my dream reference. Well, my limitation is your imagination, because I spend more time on exploring the possibility to meet your imagination with the tools called 3D printing technologies. My presentation is finished. I will stay online until the afternoon meeting. If you want to see more of the story, welcome to grill me. Thank you.